Hey guys, I'm back again, this time in front of the camera. I'm going to actually do an unboxing, a little kind of live, not so edited, but we have some new stuff. Kids, you want to show them?
Yeah.
So we have some Pokemon box here and some Japanese packs. These are little small blister packs. But I haven't done some Pokemon card openings in a while, and I do collect and resell, so we're going to see what they look like. All right? So let's take a look. So we're going to point the camera down, and we're going to see what we can do in terms of pulls from
I hope we can pull some special rares. Like, imagine if we actually got the best card in the set. That would just be pretty good.
So this is it's recording.
Dad, yeah, I know.
I know. We'll fix it. But here's the box. All right. So we're gonna open this up and we're gonna take a look at what's inside it.
Yeah, but we already know that there's one Pokemon card that does not have to be open.
So this set comes with a pin.
Yes.
So
it's like a little hamster.
So
technically,
this
I have a pin.
This is a nice little pin. I'll show you up front at the camera. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
That's a nice little pin.
It's a hamster.
Like a little hamster.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's
so,
a hamster.
Pretty nice quality pin. You do get a hollow. It's a little bent, as you can see in the camera.
Oh, that doesn't seem good.
It is a promo card, Black Star promo.
It's so cute.
I don't know if that's going to sell for much.
And it looks like we get 2 packs, Sword and Shield. And then, honestly, here's the code card for anybody who wants it. All right. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
And then we got 3 packs right here.
Wait, I can open.
And we're gonna open the Sun and Moon pack first.
Can I open that one?
Yeah, let's see.
How do I open it?
Well, I'll get it started for you and open it right here.
Wait, were you seriously giving that code card away?
No, yep. And we're gonna do the code. We're gonna do the card trick.
Wait, I don't really play the game anymore.
So there's the code for anyone who wants it. And we're gonna do the card trick. I forget Sun and Moon. I think it's 4.
Yeah, it is. You always think that it is.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, so here we go.
My favorite
energy,
dark type.
Okay. Slow.
I love it.
All right.
So we have 1 energy.
Yeah.
First energy.
Well, first energy.
I'll show them to the card. Arachnoid. Okay.
Yay.
That's a
Rare candy.
Yeah.
You just said candy.
We have a wishy-washy.
It looks like a sad fish.
Yeah, it's okay.
I know.
So these cards are not going to be that great. So we're just going to kind of go through them. Ratata. Yeah. All right. Let's keep moving. These are just crab brawler. So here's our first reverse rare. Ooh, reverse rare, and we pulled a hollow.
Yeah.
Nice.
By the way, one time
By
the way, one time I actually pulled this card.
Yes, that's a nice card we pulled.
Yeah, I'm not selling it because it's only worth like 12
All right, so I'm gonna do a Sword and Shield one.
And I like it. Yeah, I like hearing I like it to admire.
There's a code card.
Yep.
Okay.
Don't fill out the card cards. Those are boring.
Okay, here we go.
Just giving them out, actually.
So we got energy. Actually, I'm gonna do them this way so you can see them.
Yeah.
Energy.
Yeah.
Big Charm. That's a nice looking card. Seeking.
Oh, it's so cute.
Next, can we do one of those like Japanese packs?
Oh, we're gonna finish this one. Hold on.
Okay, I'm gonna do the next one.
Shelder.
And then next one again.
Is that a reverse? No, that's our reverse hollow. That's our trainer potion. And a regular non-hollow rare. Is that a rare? Yeah. Alright, nothing crazy out of that. Okay, last pack. Last pack of the...
Yeah. Wait, shouldn't I be doing that?
Yeah, I'm going to just open it for you.
Here, I do that, then I do the next one, and then
card.
you do this.
There we go.
Actually, I want to do the last one.
Here,
so this one is mine, and then the next one is yours, and then the next one's mine.
Hurry up, do it.
Okay, I'm going to be doing it like this. Okay.
Never seen that card before.
Yeah. Can you read them, Dad?
That's Sudowoodo. I like Sudowoodo.
Yeah.
That's a good get, Pokemon. That's
That's
Krabby.
a tree. That's a tree.
Minchino.
Uh,
I can't read that one upside down. Is that Ponyta? That is Ponyta.
Oh,
Ponyta.
like it.
Cottony. Scar Bunny. Oh, there's our reverse. And we got a regular rare non-hollow.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, we did get a sparkly one.
You take this one, Dad.
Alright, so we're gonna open up these. I want to show you what the packaging of these look like. They're pretty cool looking.
Why can't I open the other one?
Oh, they're too delicate.
So these are the Pokemon cards. I had it upside down. So this is from Japan. It actually said, and it's from Nintendo. It has the 2020 Pokemon on there, but it actually says down here, it says not for sale in Japan. It's for sale in Japan only, and it's made in Japan. So this is a direct import from Japan, not available in the United States. I did get these off of Amazon, relatively cheap, but they are very thin packs. I'm thinking there's only 3 cards in each pack. So these are like equivalent to your like dollar store packs, I'm assuming. So I'm going to carefully open this pack without ruining it. These are tough packs.
Oh,
These are really
that
tough
makes
packs.
it hard.
What are you doing?
Man, the video's going for like 6 minutes already. Is this how long you take making videos,
Well,
Dad?
I've never opened these packs before.
Oh, so they're new.
So these have a different backing if anyone is not aware of Japanese cards.
I bet that's really hard.
So they have this like goldish ring around the cards.
Oh, I think I've opened those
So there's
before.
5 cards here. I don't know the card trick, so I'm just going to flip them over and we're going to see what we got. So, wow, look at that.
Yup, silver.
So these look great.
Oh my gosh, I like it.
And another. That one's silver.
Okay.
Hondor, I can't know. What is that one? Is that, oh, that's a, I can't remember these names. And we got is that Clink? I don't remember. I can't read half of the stuff on the cards.
I think that's Clank Clank.
Yeah, but I cannot read that. But they're very cool cards.
Sorry.
So we're gonna get the last pack opened.
Yeah. I think this pack's
I'm gonna help you with this.
I think this pack's gonna be a good one. I believe it, cause I just felt the thickness, so I gave you the short one, and I'm getting the thick one. I always like to pull those rare cards.
Okay, here you go. You can
This
just flip
one's
them over.
thicker, and I saw something
Oh,
shiny.
you saw something shiny.
Yep, definitely.
No, wait, put it in front of the camera.
Well, there's
There's
obviously
something good in there.
something good. I knew it because I felt thickness. Yeah.
What is that? Ooh.
Oh!
Is that Tap of Cocoa?
Yeah.
Nice.
Wait, I think I know the card trick now. Hold on. So there's like, are there 5 cards? Hold on.
So this is
Yes, there are. Wait.
this is cool how they do the hollows in Japan. So they actually give you the ring around the outside too, which is a really cool effect. I like this. These look, I have to say, look better than the ones in the U.S. So that's kind of what we opened. They look pretty cool, and maybe we'll get some more Japanese cards to open up on the channel.
And for any people who want to know what the card trick is, so this is what it normally starts like when you open it up on the back. You do this, then put 1 card here, win it. Now do like this. Then you have the energy, and then you'd have like the next cards till the rarest card.
Yep, so the card trick for these packs is 1 to the back, and you should be good to go.
Yeah.
All right.
Easiest card trick I've ever seen. Just
I think it's 1 to
first
the
card
back.
trick I've ever got tricked by was technically
Actually, no, it's 3 to the back. Sorry. So it's actually 3 to the back. So this is actually how the cards were in the pack. So we pulled them like that. We pulled them like this.
I want to see the box.
So yeah, it is 1 to the back, because if we had them flipped over, 1 to the front, and your energy would be there, and your rare would be in the pack. So that's pretty cool. All right.
Yeah.
Well, guys,
wait,
it's
Dad,
been
can
another
we
great
actually-
YouTube video.
can we
No,
actually
we're not
end
doing
this
anything.
at, like-
We're gonna say bye, guys.
Yeah, but we'll have some. He has something to show you.
Look at that book bag.
Yeah, I know. It's from Tower Heroes on Roblox.
Yes.
Well, we're gonna say bye.
All right. Please
Yeah, but
like
what
and
is that?
subscribe. Thanks, guys.
What is it?
Bye.
What is this pearl thing?
Say bye.
Bye.